What if I told you AI can now do your work better than you? Not in the future, but right now. In 2026, people are building full businesses without hiring anyone because AI is doing everything faster, cheaper, smarter. If you want to stay ahead of 99% people, hit subscribe right now because what you're about to see can literally change how you make money. For years, AI was simple. You ask something, it replies. That's it. No action. No execution. But today, everything has changed. AI doesn't just answer anymore. It actually takes action. This new type is called agentic AI, and it works like a digital worker. You give one command, and it completes the entire task. No step-by-step, no constant supervision. Just one instruction, and it handles everything. Now combine that with this multimodal AI. AI that can see images, understand your voice, watch videos, and respond instantly, like a human assistant, but faster, and always available. Think about this for a second. Ask one question, and it explains everything. No Google search, no confusion. This changes how people work, how people learn, and most importantly, how people make money. Now, let's talk about the tools that are leading this revolution. First, ChatGPT. This is no longer just a chatbot. It's like having a full team inside one AI. It can write scripts, generate viral ideas, plan your business, and automate your daily tasks. You can literally run a YouTube channel using just this one tool. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and your content is already ready. Script finished, ideas generated, titles optimized, everything prepared. All done by AI. That's not hype. That's reality in 2026. Next, Claude. This one is built for deep thinking. It can read thousands of lines and still understand everything. You give it complex work, and it simplifies it instantly. Perfect for coding, research, and long documents. But here's where things get crazy. Most people still don't get this. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a system. You can tell AI, start a YouTube channel for me, and it actually begins the process. Step by step, it writes scripts, designs thumbnails, plans content, and prepares uploads. No experience needed, no expensive setup. Now imagine doing this daily. One video every single day, consistent content, high-quality output, all powered by AI. This is how people are growing fast. This is how channels go viral. But here's the truth, and most people won't like this. They are still stuck in the past, using AI like it's 2023, just asking basic questions, wasting its real power, while others are building income machines, automating content, scaling faster, and staying ahead without burning out. So the gap is growing every single day between people who understand AI and people who don't. Now, let me show you a simple scenario. This is where everything clicks. You open your phone, type one instruction, create a viral tech video, and AI starts working. Instantly, it generates a hook, writes a script, suggests visuals, creates titles, even gives you editing ideas. All in minutes, not hours. Now compare that to before. Research, writing, editing, everything manual, everything slow. That's the difference. That's the shift, and this is just the beginning. AI is improving every month. What feels powerful today will look basic tomorrow. So, the real question is, what are you going to do about it? Ignore it and stay behind, or learn it and move ahead? Because this is not optional anymore. This is the new normal. People who adapt early win big. People who delay struggle later. If you want to use AI to grow online, build an audience, and actually make money, then this is your moment. Right now, subscribe and start learning, because the next few years will belong to those who understand AI. And start learning, because the next few years will belong to those who understand AI.